down to our last gift here for Baby C. Final gift. This one is from Brian and Susan.
I have a new strategy. Me, personally,
Yeah?
I'm opening the bottom of the box.
That's brilliant, if it works.
Oh!
Wow.
That's the ginormousest monkey ever, girl! There it is! That
Wow.
monkey can hug you. Hi, Candace. Hi, Candace. I'm as big as you are, girl. Let's go play. Look, I have a puppy belly, too.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Here's your card. If you like the cards, that's from Brian and Susan, and Uncle Brian and Susan and family.
Thank you, Aunt Susan, Uncle Brian.
Yeah.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.